Hi, this is Rageswari Mahanta. I am from Assam, batch CC70. Um, I'm here to share my experience about Barry Jones. Before I joined Barry Jones, my confidence level was so low that I couldn't even perform or believe that I have that in me to even perform in front of 2, 3 people. So now, after finishing my course, I can say that I have gained so much of experience through this learning, and I have gained so much of confidence in me so that now I can go and perform in front of probably a crowd. And after this, I'm sure that I'm gonna work on my craft throughout, and I'm gonna keep in touch with Barry Jones because this learning process is never gonna end, I think so, for me. And there's so much more to learn, and this course has completely changed me internally as a person through my thought process. There was so much life learning lessons which was given by our masters, and I just wish the best to Barry Jones and my co-actors, and thank you to all my mentors and masters.